Alright, to do spark plugs on a GS350 4th gen, just take off your MAF sensors. Take off your vacuum line right here, which I already did. You pull back, you lift up, and you don't have to take this off right here. You just unclip all your clips and go forward. You're gonna have this cable from your MAF sensor clip on right here. Just connect that and you can move your intake out the way. And now you got open space for take your coils out, do your spark plugs. And this side, there's nothing really disturbing you on this side besides this harness right here, but you could get around it. It's pretty easy. I think when I did it, I just bent this. See? I could get it in there. On these clips, you just push down and back. Easy. Just got all three. So for this one, I just had to loosen this nut right here, just to get this to wiggle a little bit. And let me get this bolt loose for the coil pack. After you do that, then you just pull your goddamn coils out. So I regret what I said earlier. Just take this nut out. Move this to the side. And you can get this coil out all nice and free. Now, I just bought this Lexus last year in February. And the previous owner looks like he bought some cheap ass coil packs, because these have no part number, nothing. It's like some Timu shit. See? And then the first one, it's a fucking Toyota one. And the same with the next one. The next one's a bootleg one, and over there's some Toyota and some bootleg. So I don't know what the fuck previous owner did.